Hey everybody, welcome back to the Stonk Report. I want to give you today 3 reasons why I am still bullish on Palantir. Now, yes, I do want to cop to something. I made a video about a month ago today where I predicted, I guessed more so, that the stock would be trading around $50 a share at the end of 2020. Now, clearly that's not going to happen, but I will say a few things. I mostly thought it was a momentum play. I thought the way that the stock was moving, that it would top out around $50 and then we would see from there. Now, looking at where the prices are now, does that mean that I am by any means less bullish on this stock than I've been before? By no means. I am still very bullish Palantir. So let me share with you those reasons why. But first, let me share with you the TikTok I made covering this subject. 1 Minute Stocks by the Stonk Report. Let's talk about Palantir. After its IPO, Palantir was the meme stock of the century for the Wall Street Bets subreddit, and its price quickly tripled. The stock topped out at $32 a share before experiencing a $10 correction and leveling out around $26. When this happened, I sold all of my short-term options and extended my calls to March and November of 2021. Why? Because I believe Palantir is a fundamentally solid stock, and I'm in it for the long haul. They're signing new 8-figure contracts with massive government agencies on a regular basis, and I expect that trend to continue as they expand around the globe. The stock may be flat now, but I fully expect Palantir to be worth much more at this time next year. This stock is a buy. I'll be doing more in-depth analysis on the tube today, so check out my channel. So the number one reason why I'm still bullish on Palantir is that they keep signing major government contracts with these agencies, 8-figure contracts. So December 8th, they said that the U.S. Food and Drug Administration had awarded them with a new 3-year contract worth $44.4 million. They already provide services to the FDA, so this is a new contract that represents its largest ever deal with the agency. So Palantir is going to provide enterprise data management and analytics solutions for the Center of Drug Evaluation and Research and the Oncology Center of Excellence. This will be used to make critical information more accessible, governable, and secure as the centers assess the safety and efficacy of drugs and regulate the industry. And then only 15 days later, they announced a new 2-year contract with the United Kingdom National Health Service, or NHS, to track COVID-19 infections. If you've been sleeping under a rock, you might not have known about this new strain that is supposedly infecting people in the United Kingdom. And if there is a new strain and if there's constant mutations of the coronavirus, they're going to be so relied upon with the work that they're doing. All right, the second reason why I'm big on Palantir, again, December 21st, only 8 days ago, Palantir said that the U.S. Army would execute the second year of a pre-existing partnership that started a year ago. So last December, they signed a deal with the Army that could be worth up to $458 million over the following 4 years. The first year is up. The second year has just been renewed. That deal is worth 9 figures. It's approximately $113.8 million. What does that mean to me? That means that the government and these agencies have relied on Palantir, and Palantir has delivered on their promises, and that they are doing the work that the government wants from them. Palantir's platform powers Army Vantage, an analytics platform that gathers data from disparate sources to drive data-driven decisions. The platform is used to make decisions in the fight against COVID-19 over the past year and received a Public Sector Government Innovation Award in November. And then the third reason, their revenues have been increasing year over year, quarter over quarter, and I expect on their February 11th, 2021 earnings announcement that we're going to see a 60 to 70% growth over the last fourth quarter of the previous year. And wait for earnings. That's all I'm saying. They're not necessarily going to blow anyone out of the water, because you're going to see growth that will make their current price appear to be a bargain, especially in today's market where PE ratios are out of this world. Palantir's forward PE ratio is reasonable right now. The stock may fluctuate between now and then, but I am certain that it'll be worth the wait.